guys, today we're going to be playing Fortnite with his +1 agility, my new friend, also known as Lucas.
I'm playing today with Ned here. He has his own YouTube channel. I'll put that down in the description. Go to his channel and subscribe.
Yeah, I only have 2 subscribers.
Same.
Oh, nice.
Same.
Alright, let's get into today's video.
Where should we drop?
No idea, let me check.
I think we should drop right here because there's 2 chairs.
Are they gold chests?
Right next. No, there is a chance for the gold chest to spawn instead. There is a chance for free, but like all chest to gold chest right now.
Wait,
a chance to get free gold chest.
I just emoted. I swear to God, if I get sued for this.
Nah, it's fine. You can just edit it out.
I don't know how to edit.
Your mom can. I edit. I mean my mom. I know.
Whatever. I'm only a small YouTuber. There's no way that someone would just like sue me over a 3-second clip.
Yeah, probably not. I have like a 10-second clip of it, but I edited it out.
What about Classy Courts? I hear there's a pretty good.
I think we should go here because we can both get gold chests right here.
Or we could go to Brawler's Battleground. There's a good chest like right there.
Nah. Wait, when are you getting your face reveal?
What do you mean? I already have a face.
Oh yeah. Yeah, mine's that one though. Look at the sandstorm.
Where?
To the side in the ocean. Right next to Brawler's Battleground. Do you see it?
No.
You see where I am? Right, look over this way.
The yellow stuff?
What yellow stuff?
You know what, I don't really care.
Well, it's a giant sandstorm.
I'm gonna try and find a gold chest.
Yeah, there's one on the roof, right there, and there's one right next to the bridge.
Gold chest right here, please no one go for it.
There's one right here.
Wait, no, that's a normal chest.
No, on the roof, right there, and on the bridge too. I'm landing at my location.
The only thing I have is a hand cannon.
Dude, that's one of the best weapons. People call it rubbish when it's actually the best gun in the game. Ah! Oh, damn. It's fine. I'll get you.
Avatar with water mythic.
No, these people are pros.
Please don't murder me!
It's fine, I'll get you. Remember, I'm the best player in the lobby right now.
No, you ain't.
How did you die? You're the worst player in the game. I'm getting you. Backward. Shit. No, that's not.
Nice.
I can do something better.
Oh, nice. Revive me now, please.
I can't really. There's still the water person.
Yep, I see that. Holy! You're dead. Heal with the cabbage.
Cabbage.
Get my reboot and get out.
I can't.
If I'm just watching you the whole game, I'm no. Alright. Ready up.
Yeah, just ready up. Yeah, that was so bad.
Attempt 1 gone. So let's see if we can get a win the next game, guys.
Yeah, definitely. I think we could just line up my spot.
No.
There's guaranteed 2 chests, gold chests, and
Bruh.
chests.
I've got a better spot, and we have to go there.
I know what every gold chest is at that place.
I know.
There's guaranteed 2 gold chests.
But you chose where we were going last time, so I get to choose this time.
You wouldn't know any of me. No one.
You got to choose where to go.
Fine. Bro is bad guy, I'm guessing.
How the hell did you know?
Can I tell you how I do? One, basically, that's the world's bloodiest place, so you just want to kill every pro there, so you can like a 30 kill win.
No, I barely get 5 kills per win.
Once I got 23 kills.
Oh, by the way, guys, I got a win off camera.
Wait, let me see. I've got a couple of cameras.
Holy crap!
Wow. You were like, oh my god. Full box.
Someone dropped their crown! Someone dropped their crown!
Damn. No one got it.
Now there's just a crown on Spawn Island.
Wait, we'll be able to get it?
No one will be. Holy crap! I see the sandstorm now.
Yeah, that sort of have been in Fortnite for a couple of days now. That was from Zeus. He tried to kill all mortals.
Yeah, I could see that. What are those red lights emerging from it? Is it?
That is no monster. Actually, that is a monster there. But the original red lights, you know, Pandora's box.
Yeah.
Right. The big, like, glowing thing in the middle of it. Right.
Yeah, it got struck by lightning and it's flowing up.
Yeah, that is the original thing, and it got 0 might be in Fortnite right now. So.
Come on! Please be a god chest. Please be a god chest.
There's always a god chest right there. I know where all the other god chest spawns are.
God chest.
I got a god chest.
Alright, pretty decent loadout. Pretty decent. Holy crap! I can double pump.
Can you? I see more people right there. And also, just telling you, I have sort of max shield right now.
I'm trying.
Get them. I dare.
No. Not right now. At least I got water bending.
Wait, so you got drum gun, and like a full loadout, and I don't
gas, I'm gonna step on the gas to get that drum gun.
I don't even like the drum gun. Oh, and also I already have my loadout. I don't like
I'm
the
stuck.
drum gun anymore.
I'm stuck.
Bummer. I got a kill.
Whew.
I'm pickaxing him.
Alright. Oh, we gotta fight the boss right now.
No, there's another person here. Oh. Oh, never mind. Now we can kill him. I'm literally carrying you. Hey, guess what I have? Oh.
Chains of Hades.
There's another one over there. Do you want Chains of Hades?
No! No, I'm just almost done in Fortnite! I'm filming!
Yeah. Where's that there? Too.
Alright, let's go. mythic!
Press to get.
Hey, I said I called mythic!
You know that's a damage medallion.
I don't care, just give me mythic.
Fine. Look over there.
Yeah.
Look at the storm.
Holy!
I want to grieve you. Do you want the chains of Hades? Oh,
Nah.
and also there's another gold chest.
Where?
Right here. I did.
Oh.
I'm at it.
What'd you get?
Oh, and I got this.
What, you have wings?
Yep, and also I have a gold banana. Bye. You're gonna. I'm so far. You can't actually kill me.
Let's go to Mount Olympus. Oh!
Kill them.
Dead?
Cerberus.
Nice. Oh, someone behind us. Nice.
Dead. Thanks for the call. Oh, damn. I'm really bad at driving in this game. I dips medallion.
Sure. Wait, no, you have medallion up here. I hate that.
Oh, yeah.
I want medallion.
Llama.
Damn, we already got 2 llamas.
What? Wait, we haven't got a llama before? I've not seen that.
What do you mean? You said llama.
No, I said llama. I said llama because there was a llama here.
Yeah, no,
I'm getting
you said that right before we found it.
Did I? Yeah, because I saw one.
Whatever.
I'm not taking.
I don't know why, but llama's loot is trash.
What?
Llama's loot is trash.
What the hell is that?
The llama loot.
I have no idea what the hell that is.
When you loot a llama, it gives you trash loot.
No.
Whatever. Bro, I barely got any stuff to defeat Zeus. Oh, it's already in Storm. Great.
Dude, I have 3 medkits. And there's my kit too. I'm free. Dude, this is so bad. Do you see what I mean? I just dodged his face.
Dead.
I'm getting smoked by these guys.
So am I.
There's bandages right there. Like, dude, he's in.
I need to get out. Dude, I'm so sorry.
I need to get out too.
Oh, we really need to kill him.
I'm gonna kill him. I got this.
You get medal and myth, since I want the myth. Well, no, I want the medal. Quickly. Did you get both?
He's solo. I nearly got him.
Come on. Get medallion.
I got him.
Alright, get medallion and mythic.
Okay. I'm just gonna find another chains of Hades later in the game.
Bro, come on.
Dude, it's fine. I literally have the medkit still. Do you want the medallion or mythic?
Can I have both?
You can have the mythic. The
No, I
medallion's
want
pretty
medallion.
bunch. Fine, I'll give you both. But
Yeah.
only if I get both of these medallion people.
Just give me a second. We really need to get some health. Going in?
Sure. Actually, no, I'm trying to give you the medallion.
Bro, I don't have any ammo!
I'm trying to give you the mythic
Help!
medallion.
Help!
Dude, I'm literally gonna no-scope him. Chains of Hades! That's the DMO. Oh yeah, and also take the medallion.
I got an all mythic loadout. Wait, get the NPC. Wait,
Okay.
before that, does he sell any heals?
No.
Okay, Hiram. Someone's flying in.
I already. He's in the building.
I know. Yo, wings player, wings player.
Got one?
Ooh! Help! Kitty, come on, kitty. Please kill. Is he on you?
I'm
Ask
leaving my-
Meowskulls to revive.
I am. He's reviving me.
Bye! Love you, bye! Dead!
I'll get the medallion.
Yep. Woo!
Where's the other medallion?
No idea. All I know is that I am good!
Me too. I'm alive.
Oh, watch
somehow.
out, watch out. Go, 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 go. Oh, it's a 5-tick! Oh, no, never mind.
Yeah, I know. No, it's not.
Yeah, I know. I thought it was a 5-tick since I was on 96, and when I looked back down at my health, it was on 95, so I thought it was a 5-tick.
Bummer.
I'm gonna blow up this gas station.
Okay. If you're wondering I'm in storm, I'm actually trying to heal up, so.
Bro, you are so far into storm.
I
Blow up the gas station! I blew up the gas station.
Okay.
Goodbye, gas station.
It's not real helpful at all.
I know.
I thought you was. So.
I almost have an all mythic loadout. Bruh, this is so OP.
You know that if you hold the wings when taking full damage, you don't actually take full damage.
Yeah,
Oh, why didn't you hop in my car?
because I'm fighting someone. Did you do? Knocked? Oh, that's an NPC! I thought you were a person. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. No, I'm gonna die.
Someone. Run.
It's an NPC. I thought it was a player.
Yeah, now thanks. Now it's shooting at me. Oh, never
I'm
mind.
sorry.
No, it's shooting at my NPC. You will die. You will no kill my NPC anytime today.
I think I
Even
see a
if-
few mythics.
Okay.
Oh, it's just a Wookiee blaster and stuff.
Dude, those are goaded. I just don't use
I got the
them.
E11 and the Wookiee blaster.
Yeah, the Wookiee blaster is broken. Remember me?
Yeah, look,
Oh, no,
if
it's
you're hiding in a bunker and someone has a Wookiee bowcaster, you're dead. I can't get up, I don't have any wings.
Oh, snap, do not go for these people. These people goaded. These people goaded.
Okay!
And there's more people over there, which is probably their teammates.
I do not care, I do not care, I am running.
Yeah, me too.
Gas, gas, gas.
I'm just running. Do you see me? I'm over here. Whee. Dude, this guy's actually...
I have wall bending, so I'm healing.
You meant to
Flyberry
say
fizz!
in the water. Yes.
Give it a second. Let me just... Oh. Over there. Almost dead. Dead, dead, dead. He's so dead. What? He's one shot. He's literally one shot.
Rush him. Rush.
He's actually one shot.
What about his teammate?
Ah! His teammate isn't one shot. No, 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 no. He's coming. He's coming for the medallions and stuff. Watch out. He's on a cliff. He'll shoot ya.
Oh.
I told you. Just get everything and... No! Get the medal! Run!
Endstone.
Go, 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 go. Don't try and fight him. Just go.
I got one.
They're NPC. You're dead.
Am I?
Turns out you ain't. Just be extremely careful, dude. Woo! You're almost dead! He's almost dead! Get him! Watch out!
I'm actually him.
Revive me!
I have to quickly heal up.
Go to that reboot van.
The one right next to me?
No, the one... Storm is 1 damage.
Yeah, that's actually 1 damage.
Just remember to give me my medallion and anything that I had back.
Oh, my fine. You know the trains of Hades are broken because you can use them through walls and it still does the damage.
Oh, I didn't know that. I was flying out further in the storm. Don't throw the medallion down yet. Come on. Oh, it's a... Oh, no. I thought it was a 2-tick. Yo! I literally only have a pistol. How am I supposed to win?
I can't give you any loot.
Oh! I got a mythic chest. Well, not a mythic chest, but a blue chest. I got some decent loot. I got Chains of Hades and purple all-rounder frenzy. Now give me medal.
Oh, you only have 3 kills. That's pretty
Over here, over here.
I have 7.
Yeah, that's because you stole them all.
Shut up, dude. Once I got 23 bomb with my friend, right?
Yep.
Not you, Ned. Right? 23 kill win. I both got 25, but I got knocked in rank in diamond lobbies, and my friend was bronze, and he won the game.
He won. You know, my cousin actually won a game. She's really bad.
No.
But I think the people were being nice to her. Like they saw her just walking around with no other teammates, so they're probably like, "Aw, we should give her the win," and she got the win. Because there's no way she could kill them. They just died to Storm.
Oh, damn. I'm rushing already. Oh, they're still fighting Hades?
Huh?
They're fighting Hades right now.
Bro, Hades is still alive?
Yeah. I don't know how.
Hades just died.
I don't know where the last people are.
Yeah. Found one.
Oh,
Dead?
Yeah.
It's just us and one other person.
I killed the other person. Yeah, get them with the trains of Hades. Oh,
Yeah, wait, hide
oh
in-
god, damn.
Yo! We won!
Yay, GG. Thanks for playing with me.
No problem. Do you gotta go now?
Yeah.
Bye guys! Peace out, my dudes.
Have a good day, everybody.
See ya in the next one.